Hi everybody. So at the end of this vlog we're gonna do another scratch off ticket like I promised and see if I win something. I will be explaining everything we see on the ticket and yeah, stick around until the end of this vlog so you see if I become a millionaire. Are you guys seeing this falling through the sky in my flashlight? Yeah, that is not snow, that's pollen. That's how much pollen there is around here. It is crazy. Like, look at it, it's crazy. So much pollen. Well, you all know the drill by now. I've been making a wood storage. It had to move because of land borders. And while making it, there was this giant rock in the floor that I got out, but now I didn't have to because I didn't need that hole. I needed a hole over there. And now I need a hole over there, but there is a big ass rock over here. And it's bigger than that rock was. So I'm gonna do some sketchy shit. Doo-da, doo-da. Hope I get away with it all the doo-da day. I'm about to do some sketchy shit. Doo-da, doo-da. Hope I got away with it. Okay. Wish us luck.
I won't be standing back here.
No. You can stand over there. Did it slide off?
Yeah. You switch directions on it.
Cool. It's a big ass rock.
It's huge. What's your plan?
Going down into a hole, that's apparently my plan.
Yeah.
Well, attaching this one around here. Try again, shall we? Na 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 na.
Nope. Broke.
Oh. Dang it. I'm gonna do some of this and we'll be right back. Okay, time for attempt number 3. This time I've got 2 bands around it. You see, blue and black. And then tow rope for cars. Let's see if we can get it out this time. Let's try this again. Funniest home videos?
What did that hit? Did it hit the car?
It sounded like it.
Or was it a plank?
I should have known.
Yeah. You'd think.
What did it hit? I didn't see any damage. Luckily.
We'll discover that tomorrow.
Yeah. Oh, there's where it hit. That's where it hit. Yeah. Oopsies. It's not too bad. Let's not tell my parents.
Let's not tell the parents.
Let's not tell the parents. They don't need to know this.
No.
Nope. Okay. Attempt number 4 coming up.
Cut. Thank you.
away with some sketchy shit. It was just ding on our car, but we did it.
Wee.
Yay. Yeah, anyway, now I have a giant ass hole to fill, and then I can continue building my shed.
Yay! I wonder where the stone came from.
Yeah, can you tell?
There.
It's a big ass hole. Not asshole, big asshole.
Big ass hole.
Big asshole.
Poor people that worked so hard to put it there in the first place.
Yes, poor people.
They are turning in their graves.
Yes, mosquitoes. Anyway, see you all back tomorrow when I continue working on this, because as you can tell, the sun is going down and me and Frida deserve a break.
Yeah, we do.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, today's weather is perfect. A little bit too warm to work though, but I have already filled up the hole that giant ass rock came out of. And now I am gonna start working on putting more of these pillars in place. I won't be filming all of them because it's gonna be boring to watch me just putting pillars in place. But yeah, I'm gonna continue working, and it's really warm. I'm sweating my ass off, but you know, I'm gonna wanna have this done. I just want to put these concrete pillars in place. And they usually just have to go like 3 centimeters deep. But I keep finding giant boulders that are exactly where I need to put my rocks. No, my giant boulders where I need to put my concrete. Alright, I'm about halfway with all the concrete pillars I've put in place. And I found 1, 2, 3, 4 big boulders. So I guess I got 4 more big boulders to go. Well, as you can see, my pile of rocks keeps growing. It's hard work. I've got 11 of the 12 pillars where they need to be. You can see I've got a bunch of them dug in. Some needed to be raised up. And then, you know, got this one dug in, got that one dug in, got that one dug in. Got that corner raised up. Guess where the next one needs to go? Yeah. My lucky day. Better start digging. Okay, change of plans. That was a bit bigger than any of the others. That one is giant. I mean, it could even be the tip of the mountain I live on. So I'm not digging that one out. I'm leaving it. And maybe I will just drill a hole in it put some thread in it and then make this thing part of my foundation instead of digging on a new block. If you can't beat them, join them. So that guy can stay. Yeah, I don't think I have the energy to move that one. That will be a lot of work. So since the sun is going down and I've been doing this all day, I got a nice pile of rocks to show for it, and I've got 11 of the 12 concrete pillars in place. We're calling it a day for today. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you liking the video. I appreciate you subscribing, and most of all, I appreciate you all watching until the end. See you all next time. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen. We got another scratch-off ticket. Let's see if we win something today. I feel a little bit naughty today, and I'm gonna start in the center here. Alright, let's see what that gives us. 30 crowns. Yep, that'll give us our money back, because this ticket cost 30 crowns, so let's hope we get 3 of those at least. But I am hoping to win more, of course. Alright, let's go to the next one. Another 30. Alright, so we might be getting our money back. Do this one now. A 60. Well, that means we can get double our money back. I'm hoping for a little bit higher numbers than these, though. This is not that much. I bought this because I want to become a millionaire, not because I just want to scratch a ticket and then get my money back. Alright, we're gonna continue starting in the center because I'm weird that way. Another 60. This one is playing games with me. So 2 30s and 2 60s. Well, you know, getting your money back is not the worst thing, I think. Alright, let's go over here now. 30! We got our money back! Wow, that's interesting. I've never had that go that fast before. So we got our money back. We won a scratch ticket. Well, winning, I'm not sure. It's at least getting our money back. This probably means that these other ones don't have that much. So I'm just gonna scratch them off real quick. Because there is most likely nothing there. We have a 150 and a Tevetris. I explained in the last video, Tevetris means you get to be on television and do this in front of hundreds of people. And then we've got 2 100,000s. There you go. So yeah, this ticket is worth 30 crowns. I'm getting my money back. But there is the extra chance. And the extra chance could be a times number. The extra chance could have 60 behind it, or it could have 150 behind it, or another value in money, but it could also say times 3. And if we do 30 times 3, it will be 90. But there's also times 100, which means I would have 3,000 crowns. So let's hope for a big times number. Here goes. Ooh, it is times. You see that? It says times, but what is the next one? Times 1, times 2, times... Ah, times 1. Well, I sounded disappointed, but it's always nice to get your money back. So this ticket didn't cost me anything to play. I am taking this back to the store and exchanging it for a new ticket, and then I will show you that one in the next vlog. Alright, hope you like this, and we'll play again next time.
They don't wanna see me care. Anytime I I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next vlog. And don't forget to subscribe.
Still recording.
I've been doing fine. I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the